Hello everyone, today I will be swatching Modelones Dip Powder. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So today I received a package from Modelones and it comes with a dusting brush and a dip powder set. And it comes with 8 different colors. And it also comes with the instruction on how to use it. And it also comes with a dip powder base coat, dip powder activator, dip powder gel coat, and then dip powder brush saver, and with 2 extra brush applicator. So all you need is provided in this bundle. So this one is the shade 32 and the next one is shade 31 and this one is shade 29 and this next one is shade 28 and this one is shade 30. The next one is shade 27 and the purple one is shade 33 and this one is shade 26 and it also glows in the dark. And now I will be swatching them. So now I'm gonna start with the shade number 26 and it is also called Drink on Me. So first I'm gonna apply the base coat and then dip it into the powder. So this is called Modelones Live Love Carnaval set of dipping powder. It contains 8 shades of popular and friendly colors with a rich color formula and lightweight texture. And the special effect of this Modelones Live Love Carnaval set of dipping powder is glow in the dark. And this is what the number shade 26 look like. So next is I'm gonna try the shade number 27 and it is also called Tangerine Tease. It is long lasting up to 3 weeks and it is a fast drying without using LED or UV lamp, and it is also easy to apply and it is suitable for nail professional or home user. And this is what the shade number 27 look like. And next one is I'm gonna try the shade number 28 and it is also called Your Lime to Shine. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And this is what the shade number 28 looks like. And the next one is shade number 29 and it is also called Princess's Roll. Modelones Dip Powder has intense pigmentation, 11 toxin-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and it is low smell. And this is what the shade number 29 looks like. And this one is the shade number 30 and it is also called Hotter Than You Pink. It is easy to apply and it is a long-lasting, a fast-drying without the use of UV or LED lamps. So this is really nice. And this is what the number shade 30 looks like. And this one is the shade number 31, and it is also called Sunny You Should Ask. This is my second time reviewing Modelones product. First, I did their nail gel and I don't get any skin reaction, which is a big plus, especially to those people that has a sensitive skin like mine. So this is the shade number 31. And this one is the shade number 32, and it is called Pop-Up Pool Party. Modelones Live Love Carnaval Dipping Powder Set is perfect for Halloween. And this is the shade number 32 looks like. And the last one is shade number 33, and it is also called Do You Lilac It? It is beautiful lilac color. And this is the shade number 33 look like. And this is what it looks like in the daylight. And this is what it looks like in the dark. And now I'm gonna try it on my nails. So first, apply a thin layer of base to the nail surface and avoid getting the base onto the cuticles, as dip powder would pick up wherever base is applied. And then quickly dip the nail into the dip powder. Use a brush to remove excess powder around the nail plate and surface. And then repeat the first step by applying a thin layer of base coat. Then dip the nail into the dip powder. Brush to remove excess powder around the nail plate. And then apply the activator to the entire nail surface. This will cure the powder. Air dry for at least 60 seconds. And now I'm gonna proceed to my next fingernails, and I'm gonna use the shade number 26. So first, I'm gonna apply a thin layer of base to the nail surface and avoid getting the base onto the cuticles, as dip powder would pick up wherever the base is applied. And then quickly dip the nail into the dip powder at the 45 degree and pull straight back out. And then use the brush to remove excess powder around the nail surface. And then apply a second thin layer of base to the nail surface. And then dip the nail into the dip powder. Use a brush to remove the excess powder around the nail surface. Air dry for 60 seconds and then apply the activator to the nail surface. And now I'm gonna proceed to my next fingernail. So first, apply a thin layer of base to the nail surface. Make sure not to put any base on your cuticle area. And then quickly dip the nail into the dip powder at a 45 degree and pull straight back out. Do not push the nail against the powder. So now I'm gonna apply a second thin layer of base to the nail surface. And then dip it again to the powder and then brush it off. Air dry for 60 seconds and then apply the dip activator. This will make the nail hard. And then air dry again for 60 seconds. And now I'm gonna proceed to the next shade. So first, apply a thin layer of dip powder base to the nail surface. And remember to avoid getting the base onto the cuticles, as a dip powder would pick up wherever the base is applied. And now dip the nail into the dip powder. Brush off the excess powder around the nail plate. Air dry for 60 seconds and then repeat the same process one more time. And now apply that dip powder activator to the entire nail surface. And next, I'm gonna try the shade number 33, or it is called Do You Lilac. First, apply a thin layer of base to the nail surface. And then dip the nail into the dip powder. Use a brush to remove excess powder around the nail plate and surface. And now apply a second thin layer of base to the nail surface. And then quickly dip the nail into the dip powder. And then brush off the excess powder around the nail surface. And then apply the dip powder activator to the entire nail surface. This will cure the powder quickly without the use of UV or LED lamp, and get ready for filing. And then file and buff the nail to make the nail surface smooth and nice. And then apply another coat of dip powder activator. This will cure the powder quickly and get it ready for the top coat. A good thing about this is we don't need a UV or LED lamp to cure. Air dry for 60 seconds. And then quickly apply a thin top gel to the entire nail surface to make it dry properly. It is important to apply it quickly because the top gel coat will dry so quick. And then air dry again for 60 seconds. Then apply second coat of top gel to the entire nail surface for a better effect. This will make the nail to have that super shiny finish. And it's done. So this is what it looks like in the daylight. And this is what it looks like in the dark. It is shockingly impressive. It's beautiful. Lights on, lights off. Lights on and off. So overall, I love the colors. It is so beautiful from the daylight to the darkness. And it is shockingly beautiful and very impressive. So let me know what is your favorite shade on the comment section below. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.